Okay, this is a me swak. It's like a toothbrush. It's like real convenient to use, so I got one of those. This is Wet n Wild mascara. This is dye for your lashes. It's all broken up, but this is what it looks like. And let's see what else I got in here. I have threading. I have thread for my brows. And I also bought this with it. It's string to map it. Like you just touch it to your skin, and it'll draw a line. I have brushes. I have let's see, where's this from? Wet n Wild as well. This is a lash lifting toolkit. It comes with 2 applicators, I guess 3 applicators, and then the perm and the neutralizer, I guess. This is a liner in black. So it's like one of the darkest colors that I could find. This is nudes. It's a profusion palette. It has like glittery ones and more matte ones, but they're pretty intense. So I got this. I don't know what I bought, but I thought it was a good idea to get one of these, because whenever I put eye color on, it falls. So I bought that. I got in here, I just put this in here because I always put my nail polishes in something. This is nail polish, and it's just called True, but you know, it's a nude tone. It's like a French manicure color. So I also got this is called Just Garnet, and you can see it has like glitter and stuff in it. I got another one, same company, in Black Orchid. That one's more of a neutral color than that. I bought this eyelash curler. You're gonna see it. It's just what it looks like. Look. Yeah. And I have a foundation. This is called Camouflage by Hard Candy. It's a full coverage, so I bought it because it said it was oil free in 16 hours. So I thought that was a good deal. And of course I have a eyelash pencil. I have a pencil sharpener by Physicians Formula. It's pretty. I have a mirror, and it comes with in here it comes with a magnifying mirror, and I have a pack of eyeshadow brushes. This is my blush brush, or actually this is to apply concealer or foundation or whatever base. This is that brush. have, let's see, what do I have? Primer. So this is a primer, and I guess it's iridescent by L'Oreal. This is L'Oreal lip palette, and this is a lip palette by L'Oreal, and they're all pinks. This one's like a shimmer. Let's see. This palette is, you've already seen this one. It's by Profusion, and it's 10 shades of neon colors. And I just got this one in. This one's a highlight and contour palette. Okay, and this one's a lip plumper. It's just a basic lip plumper. Okay, and I have a lip liner. This is my lip liner. It's from NYX. And the color is Stockholm. This is a brow pencil in blonde. I have Lash Glue by Balian. And I have lashes by, what is this? It looks just like a basic brand. Yeah. And I have 3 pairs. I have this blush. This is called Natural Rose. And I have this blush in Soft Sable. And last but not least, I have this, and it's by Fuera. It's a soft matte finish liquid foundation. And of course, this is a full coverage. And it's also like one of those foundations that people cover up their tattoos with. So I got this in the mailbox for today. And okay. I got these in the mail, and they're like 18 karat gold plated on brass or something. And let's see. So this is what they look like. They're like made in Italy or something.